Yo, good morning. How we doing, everybody? Let's see. Get everything set up. And then we're going to rock and roll, baby. Let's see. How'd everybody do yesterday? Spy, SPX. Good morning. Boom. Go live. Sorry, you're gonna hear me keep coughing. Your boy is sick. Haven't coughed this bad and it's been a long time. Let's see. Boom. Yes, sir. The Amazon swing printed 80%. And it hit our second price target to hold on, trying to multitask. Hit our second price target in the pre-market of 150. Honestly, I still think it wants more, but I would like to trim at this 150 if we can hold. So we entered the Amazon swing this day right here, had a beautiful move up into that previous 52-week high over here. We set new 52-week highs this morning, right up into that 150. Like I said, I would love if we could hold up here. I'd definitely be willing to take some off. Should be near 100%. Hold on. One second. We're going to start here. Alrighty. Hey, I said be here end of the day. I got to swing. If you weren't there, I don't know what to tell you. I said be here. Even sent it out. Good morning, everybody. We do have jobless claims today, so should give us a nice little move in the market. Boom, boom. There we go. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure to join the little channel that I made on Instagram. It's free. It's free 99. Alrighty. Let's do this. Yep, it does look like Amazon wants to give us more. Worst case scenario, stop loss break even. But I already took a decent bit off. Hit 80% gains yesterday. Beautiful trade. Alright, let me pull up the DMs myself. Let's see what we can find today. Alright, yes. Jeez. Again, sorry, you're going to hear me coughing a lot. But as far as a bounce, I mean, if we stay below 47.81.25, I actually have multiple different areas that we could bounce. First one I'm going to watch is this 1 hour 21 EMA, if we can get there. Plus, we also have that 1 hour demand, so makes a nice little small area that we could potentially bounce. So we can watch there. And then, again, this is a very small area. Only a couple points. Really depends on price action. But then after that, as long as we stay below that 47.81, we can use a fib retracement from here to here and watch that. 47.39, 47.29, and then we have this 1 hour demand all the way down here if we really started to pull. So there's a decent amount of bounces. If anything, mainly gonna watch here, but then if we crack that, the next two are gonna be here. Maybe we test this in the future and this can come into play. But I don't expect us to sell off $8 today on ES or $7 on ES to get down here. But maybe just a future level that we can watch, but that's pretty much it. We're trading at up in the 47.70s. I mean, there's not a whole lot of levels that we have here. I mean, 4,800, 4,808. It's pretty much the next levels. Put up 4,800. Boom, boom. Cool. So yeah, if we start breaking above overnight highs, 4,800, 4,808, all-time highs. It's not too far, 35, 36 points. I just did math right. So that's everything I'm watching on ES. Pretty straightforward. Going over to SPY. Honestly, it makes sense for them to try to at least push it and try to test those all-time highs, but we'll see. SPY, let's see, when did we top out on ES? The misprint kind of just messed things up. Around 21. Okay, so it's going to be here to here. Boom. Boom. So as long as we stay below this low, I'm looking for that 468.40 and 467.40. After that, or before that 1 hour 21 EMA, willing to try a bounce there as well. Again, really depends on price action. If we break above 472.72, looking for the push into 480, 475. I mean, we really don't have resistance on this thing. So 475, 480 is going to be what I'm looking for. Boom. All right, all the bounces, we good there. Let's take a quick look at SPX. Depending on where we open, which should be above, a decent bit above 4,700. If SPX comes down and hits 4,700, I'd be willing to try that as well, depending on price action. So there's everything ES, SPY. Take a quick look at QQQ. Again, gonna watch that 1 hour 21 EMA. If we stay below 16,885, I'm willing to watch these fibs. 16,730, 16,694. As far as bounces, if we break above 16,885, go to the weekly.
Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, Martin. But NQ's at new all-time highs. I think QQQ might be as well. So that's crazy to think about. We set new all-time highs on NQ. That's crazy. Of course, QQQ wanted to misprint into the level. But also, who talked about us going back to all-time highs? You guys remember all those videos that I made and talked about? Specifically ES and SPY and how good that monthly time frame setup was for a continuation back up. Crazy. All right. So, we misprinted into the level. Just watch NQ, but then from there, 402.70, 401.8. We didn't really retest 400. Kind of just blew through it. So, maybe a future level. But as long as we stay below 406.60, then all those levels are valid. If we break above 406.60, as far as QQQ, it's a straight shot into 408.7. Then from there, maybe look for a reject. So, watch that on QQQ. And I mean, that's pretty much it. SPY, ES, NQ, QQQ. We're all good. We just got to wait for the news. See what else we got today. I know we got jobless claims. Import price index, retail sales, and then business inventories at 10, which that's not too important. So 8:30 news. Could be a market mover. We'll see. Alrighty. Again, sorry I keep clearing my throat in your ears this morning. All right, let's take a look at some individuals, see what we're liking, what we're not liking, and then narrow it down once we get the news and find some bangers for today. Take a look at Apple. See, I don't really like trading Apple. It's right at all-time highs, though. Or no, it set new all-time highs in pre-market. Good morning. So nothing on Apple, personally. AMD. That's got new 52-week highs. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Especially if it got above 139.20 for 30. Let's see. AMD, I'll put a question mark next to it. Boom. Amazon, 100% going on the list. Especially because we're already in the swings. Beautiful trade so far. Boeing. Still just tearing to the upside. Really not interested there. Coin. Finally broke above that consolidation yesterday. Let's see. I mean, if you wanted to watch it for a retest of 150, you could, but personally not going to. Costco. Let me tell you, you guys are, I hope you guys are still riding the equity with me on this one. My average is like 511, 512 on this thing. Entered over here. Now we're all the way up at 642.6. So hopefully you guys are still rocking some equity. Price target 66824. But beautiful swing on that. Absolutely beautiful. As far as day trades, nothing there though. CRM, don't care about. GLD, don't care about. Had a nice move yesterday. Google, don't care about. IWM, that went stupid yesterday. I think somebody said yesterday that like IWM contracts did 8,100% or something ridiculous. They went from $1 to 81. But I'm actually not opposed to watching for a bounce down at that 1 hour 21 EMA or even a reject at 200. We might not get up there today, but definitely willing to try that. Or even as early as 199.26. But that 1 hour 21 might come into play. Or there might even be Russell demand somewhere in that pre-market level. Again, good morning, everybody. IWM, Meta. Don't care about. Microsoft has a very nice daily squeeze. I do want to watch this. I might do a butterfly today for tomorrow's expiration. Maybe like the 380, 385, 390. So we'll see with that, but do really like that daily squeeze. Maybe we'll just keep it as a side watch. The $1 million question right there. I have no idea what the news is going to do. I get people that ask me that all the time. What do you think news is going to do to the market? I don't know. I'm gonna say it's gonna go up or down. Let's see, Netflix, we're all the way up at 481.5. I mean, 475 maybe. NVDA. Higher low, bounced off 450. $44.32, that's the main level. Nothing really too interesting on NVIDIA. PayPal has a nice move. QQQ we already looked at. Roku, don't care about. SPX we looked at. Shopify, still holding that previous 52-week high. We looked at SPX, we looked at SPY, and then Tesla. Right back into the range. Does have a very nice daily squeeze though. Would be something I'd be willing to watch in the future. But as far as right now on Tesla, nothing. So individuals that I like today: AMD with a big fat question mark, Amazon, IWM, and Microsoft. So right now we just gotta wait for the news that's dropping at 8:30. In the meantime, if anybody's got questions, stocks I haven't looked at yet, feel free to type them up in the chat. We'll answer questions and we'll take a look at some individuals. See what we like, what we don't like. ARM. ARM. I think we looked at this one in the past. I personally don't see anything I like though. It's just not enough data. But yeah, I don't see anything on this that would interest me. Pretty much what I'm looking for, we can look at the Amazon one because that was a perfect example, is I'm looking for price to hold that 21 EMA with a squeeze, because the longer we hold the 21 EMA on the upside and we have a nice squeeze, the higher the probability that it fires up. That's exactly what's currently happening. Or if we head on over to uranium on the monthly time frame, we entered way down here, right here. Holding the monthly 21 EMA, nice monthly squeeze. We entered long on the equity as well as leap contracts expiring in January. And we caught nearly a 30%, or actually more than 30% on the equity and almost 300% on the contracts. So all I'm looking for is a squeeze and then supporting price action on top of the 21 EMA. And also, real quick, speaking of swings, if you guys haven't seen already, I am hosting a completely free webinar this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, where I am going to be showing you a lot about my swing trading strategy, how to find these stocks, how to go about choosing expiration dates, strike prices, and so much more, even small account friendly. It doesn't matter if you're, thank you for the subscribe. It doesn't matter if you're a new trader, experienced trader, small account, large account, whatever it may be. This webinar is going to apply to you. I'm trying to figure out how to get this link. I don't know why it's not giving me this link. But highly suggest you sign up for it. If you can't make it, you are going to get a... Bro, where is this link? Bro. See if this works. That should be the link to let you sign up right there. But if you can't make it, it will be recorded and sent to your email shortly after. So take 5 seconds, fill it out, tap in on Sunday at 7 p.m. And yeah, I hope this webinar helps a lot of you guys out. Might be a little biased and say it's going to, but if that first one doesn't work, this one should work. Cool. All right. Yes, be hyped for it. It's going to be a good webinar. Let's see. TTM squeeze is goated. Let's go to Ruby. I mean, could be doing like a little head and shoulders rounding bottom type deal down here, but as far as a setup, nothing I'd really be too interested in. So nothing that I really like. Affirm. Okay, with this Affirm, if you wanted to look to day trade it, I don't know what that or the liquidity looks like. You can watch this 1 hour 21 EMA at like 43.25, wherever that ends up being. Look for a bounce there or a high risk breakout about 46.2. That doesn't look too bad. So Affirm, Eli Lilly. Then we'll take a look at XLU, utility sector. Yeah, I'd say your best bet was probably that weekly 21 EMA, but didn't quite get down there. You might just have to be a little more patient and see what happens with this daily squeeze that it's currently in. So I'd give it a little more time and see if it shows supporting price action of wanting to fire up. But there's definitely no liquidity, for sure. So Eli Lilly, that's out of the way. XLU, utility sector. I will never trade any utilities ever again. They're banned from me forever. Like 1 in 9 with utility swings. It's the one sector that I absolutely hate. Every time I trade it, I get screwed. Only time I had a winning swing on XLU was when I was in Vegas. Wasn't even really looking at the market. It was on DUK. So, utility sector for me banned. If you were looking to go long, this monthly 21 EMA reclaim with volume off that 61.8 would have been it. The stop right below. But I gotta get this thing off my screen. It's giving me flashbacks, PTSD. Microsoft, I'm more so just looking for a swing or an uptrend entry. It's no specific level. Think you done broke that. Not really seeing anything here. As far as this daily, I don't know what. I doubt there's liquidity for day trades. So 1 hour 21 EMA doesn't look too bad, but as far as swings, not really seeing anything I'd be interested in. Jeez. All right, what do we got? 3 minutes. Any other questions? Top of the morning. And again, if you guys want this watch list, make sure to run up them likes. We got 170 people in here and only 86 likes. Half of you have clicked that like button. Make sure to do it if you want to watch it. Three minutes. Oh yeah, I forgot to look at what's SPX 52-week highs? 48.18. All right, so we got a while until we get up there. All right. Cool. Got like a level of resistance over here. Like 47.13 to 47.19. So we can see what happens there. I don't even remember what I was watching Monday, to be honest with you. But if I gave you the levels, I did it in the live stream. Just go back and watch Monday's live stream and you'll see how I found them. Alrighty, 1 minute. Pull up ES. And let's see what we do. Pull up Twitter, get the news ready. Apparently we had ECB news earlier. Five seconds. 2, 1, boom. Just need Amazon to nuke up like $5 real quick. That'd be nice. Ugh. Continuing claims 1.86 or 1.876. Forecast 1.879, previous 1.86, so above previous, below forecast. Retail sales 0.3, estimate negative 0.1, previous negative 0.1. All right, we're going to let the market settle real quick. Give me like 30 seconds to go get a cough drop. I'll be back. All right. We back, baby. Man, Amazon's pulling back, not nuking. All right. Give this like 2 more minutes, and we'll narrow the list, see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, this was quite a rally. I didn't expect us to move that much in such a short period of time. Crazy moves. I mean, ES is staying pretty in this little range. NQ has more room. So close to that 1 hour 21 EMA though. That's the unfortunate thing. What's up? So I don't know. We'll see if we hit it. But would have preferred if we waited if I was trying to bounce that. So it looks like NQ higher probability bounces are going to be down here. Alrighty. We'll see. Hopefully Santa delivers new all-time highs. It looks like they're buying the NASDAQ back up off that level. Let's go ahead and start flipping through the list. Flipping through our little individuals. I mean, with this AMD, I'd prefer it over those highs. This was a questionable setup, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Amazon. Again, we're already in the swing. It was up 80% yesterday. Ideally, looking for more continuation. 150 is going to be a big level. So, I don't know. If we crack through it, maybe an uptrend entry. But that's about it. I mean, I wouldn't try to bounce it at this 1 hour just because we were kind of all over the place with it yesterday. So, I guess Amazon just an uptrend entry. I'm live every single day. Make sure you tap in every morning around like 8:05, 8 to 8:05. I'll be here. So let's see if the Russell's got any demand. Not really. It did hit that psychological 2000. I mean, yeah, if I'm going to be interested in the Russell, it's going to be way down here. So, I don't know if we're going to hit it. Might just be a side watch. Then we got Microsoft. Yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to head on over to my channel, click that little bell icon so you do get notified whenever I go live. As well as upload brand new videos for you guys. I got a new one dropping this Saturday. Hopefully you guys like it. But, I mean, I'm really not too interested in, like, individuals today. Like, there's setups, but they're higher time frame setups that I'm going to have to be patient for. So, if anything, I like this Microsoft daily squeeze that we got going on. What I don't like is how hard we rallied yesterday and Microsoft didn't move, but we'll see. Willing to watch it again for a butterfly swing. We'll see. So, might just keep that on the side. Just say daily squeeze. We held the previous 52-week highs right there. Boom. Level 2 is backwards. Bid is buyers. Ask is sellers. Limit orders. Yeah. Yeah, because people are buying the bid, selling the ask on level 2. Time and sales is market orders. So, aggressive buyers, aggressive sellers. Pretty much it. So, cool. Let's get these ES levels. All right. SPY. Using ES levels. Oh, Jesus. I'm typing all caps. A few different areas. Watch for bounces. First is 1 hour 21 EMA. $4739, then 4729. Boom. And entry above overnight highs. Only reject I like is all-time highs at, what was it, 4806? 4808. 825. All right, boom. QQQ. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes if you want this watch list posted in the chat. We'll we got 180 people in here and 126 likes. Keep running it up if you want it. All right, so NQ, it's super close to what I would have watched for a bounce. So QQQ using NQ levels, bounce. Or if you want to be picky and only use QQQ levels. Oops. There we go. Amazon, give me that new high, baby. Keep it pumping. Put my contracts in the money. I'll be happy camper. I'll take 100%. Take 100% and chill for the day. I'll tell you what, if we didn't have CPI, PPI, and FOMC, I definitely would have went way heavier on that Amazon. Unfortunately, we had all that news. All right, Amazon. Cool. All right, so Team Bull. About to get the watch list. I'm just typing this up in Team Bull, giving it to channel members, and then I'll give it to you guys. All right, boom. Sent that to Discord members. So you guys got it. So, boom, let's give it to YouTube channel members. And then if you guys hit 150 likes in the chat, I'll give it to you, which you guys only need 6 more. Boom, YouTube channel members, you got it. And also, while we're waiting to hit the like goal, again, one more time, if you guys did not see, I am hosting a free webinar this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you can't make it, sign up for it. You will get the recording sent to your email. It takes 5 seconds to fill it out. So if you guys are ready to go into 2024 strong, learn a lot about my swing trading strategy and how you can start applying it ASAP, I highly suggest you sign up for this webinar. Again, it takes 5 seconds. It's going to be live. It's not going to be pre-recorded. It's going to be taught live. And again, if you can't make it, you will get it sent to your email. Super excited. Make sure you guys do that. Yeah, I mean, Apple did hit 52-week highs as well. Good, Don. Good. I really want this Amazon to just crack 150. Give me another 100% gainer to end the year. That's what your boy wants. Did we hit 150? did. We hit 154. Let's go, Tom. Nah, XME, the spreads are weird. All right, let's give you guys the watch list. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, the SPY one, we're gonna have to break into two. QQQ. Amazon. Yeah, SPY, ES, SPX, NQ, QQQ. Those are the first things I look at every day. That's why I gotta make sure that you hop in right away in the morning when I go live. So again, make sure you click that bell icon. We could, but like I said, this is my price target up here. That's 150. So if we hold, I'm trimming that open. Absolutely. Worst case scenario, comes back down towards break even. I stop out on the rest, but would love to get another 100%er. Would love it. Y'all know it. So, anybody got questions before I call it a day? Thank you. You guys want to hear, hold on. So Snoop Dogg, right? I'm sure everybody knows Snoop Dogg. If you don't know Snoop Dogg, you've been living under a rock. He took the Amazon swing with me, right? And he left a voicemail. Hold on, let me get it for you guys real quick. All right, so here's the voicemail from Snoop Dogg yesterday. He took this Amazon swing. All right, you guys ready?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
That's what he left me a voicemail yesterday. That's what he said. Glad to know Snoop is banging out Amazon with us. But yeah. Let's crush it, baby. Fingers crossed, 100%. But everybody have a good day. And if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you in 10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes. All right. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Have a blessed day.